Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify theme without losing content. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my actual Shopify right now. As you can see, I have the featured products as well as a subscription to emails. So for example, let's add in here a customized thing that is not included to my actual Sense theme. So let's add in here a section and let's make it an image banner. So as you can see, it will add that image banner. Now let's save that, and then it will be saved on my Sense theme. Now let's head back to our Shopify, and in here we can actually have the option in order to change our actual theme. So you can click on this add theme right here and visit this theme store. And then in here, you should be able to see the themes that you can actually install on your actual Shopify store. So you can install this refresh theme, this handmade theme, and all the themes that you can see on the theme store right here. So for example, for me, I will install this spotlight. So let's click on this right here. Then after that, we can click on this try theme. Once we have clicked on that, it will show us to the next page wherein it will add spotlight to my online store. So after it's done loading, it will redirect us to the Shopify dashboard wherein we can see the progress for the addition of this specific theme to our actual store. As you can see, it is loading, and then once it's done loading, we should be good to go. So it has finished the loading process. Now we can publish this one. Then let's click on publish right here. And once it has published, let's head over and see what it will look like. Let's click on this eye icon right here. And then we should be able to see our store and what it will look like with this theme. So as you can see on the actual spotlight theme, it will only spotlight our actual products. So as you can see, there's nothing that has been removed. It has served its purpose since it will spotlight what our store has. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.